This will be a quick video showing this top terminal on the overdrive solenoid, and this actually happens to be terminal number 6 on the 3-terminal style solenoid. So if you watch my other video, there's another solenoid with only 2 terminals. As you can see, this one has 3, but all of them have this top terminal here, which is not essential. And what it does is, as you can see, there's a little set of contact points there. Just try to adjust myself here and be able to zoom in. And this plate here is grounded, but this entire arm here, this little bar, it's not grounded. It's insulated, as you can see from that these insulating pieces here, and it's connected to the to this terminal. So what happens is, when this shaft here moves down, when the overdrive is engaged, then it allows this contact point to close and connect with that little bottom contact point, thereby allowing negative or ground to go to this terminal. So the way I can illustrate it is, as you can see, I've connected my battery charger as a voltage source to the solenoid, imitating what's in the car. So if I touch the terminal, there's nothing on it, on none of the terminals. Actually, the other terminals, so there's nothing there. But on the plate here, as you can see, the light turns on. So at the terminal, there's nothing. And then on the contact on the this plate up here, there is. So when this here, again, when that shaft moves down, when that shaft there moves down, you can see the shaft is itself grounded. So this plate here, although it looks like a contact point, it's not. It's actually an insulator. It's not brass. It's like some insulating material. So when this shaft here moves down, again, it allows this contact points to close together, thereby allowing negative to be connected to here. And I wonder if I can do it by hand. Just push it down by hand. It's a little bit difficult because I've got the phone in one hand. But anyways, yeah, just leave it at that. It's fairly simple. Right? Hope this helps someone out there.